So, hello guys! Today, I'm at Tugu Pahlawan, Surabaya. So, Tugu Pahlawan was established on 10 November 1952 by our first president, Insinyur Soekarno. So, Tugu Pahlawan was built in order to memorize the soldier or the Arek Surabayan who already fought against colonials to maintain our independence. So, stay tuned! So here are several pillars with several handwritten that represents the struggle of Arek Surabaya who fought against colonials. So as we can see, this is our slogan, ya, Kafe-kafe Rantas, Malang-Malang Foto. So as we can see behind me, this is the Tugu Pahlawan monument, and there is a green field. Yeah, the green field and the grass is clean, and then the uniqueness of this building is the shape of Tugu Pahlawan itself is like an upside down pin. So this is the like upside down pin. So that is unique. So not only contains of the monument and then the statue, where's the statue? Yeah, and the statue, but Tugu Pahlawan also consists of museum called 10 November Museum, and the museum contains some things that used by Arek Surabaya to fight against colonials. So, to make the guests comfortable, this museum also facilitate guests a bench, not only a bench but several benches, that, to make sure that they comfortable in here and not getting sunburn or wet because of rain. And this is my sister. Hi Jay! Since Tugu Pahlawan is a historical monument, it is also has some statues. For example, these statues, if I'm not mistaken, this is Bung Tomo statues, one of the historical person that play an important part in Heroes Day in Surabaya. So besides the Bung Tomo statue, this is the car used by Bung Tomo, and this car is established in 1956. Look at this car. This is so classic and so historical because this is used by Bung Tomo. Yeah, one of historical person in Surabaya and also in Indonesia. So now I'm at Museum 10 November in Tugu Pahlawan. Yeah, stay tuned. So as you can see, this is the photo of Insinyur Soekarno when he put the first stone of ceremony in Tugu Pahlawan as a symbol of starting building of Tugu Pahlawan Heroes Monument in 10th November 1951. And yeah, this is a little bit of Museum 10 November interior. Yeah, this is aesthetic as well. So there are some photos, documentation about Tugu Pahlawan. Yeah. So this is the guide of Museum 10 November in Tugu Pahlawan. So it has two floors. The second floor is like this, and the first floor is like this, and then the second floor is like this. So now I'm at Museum 10 November in Surabaya. In that museum we can see this monument, and also we can see the uniform of BKR Army, and then some uniform and clothes that used by citizens at the past, and some descriptions. Behind me, this is the monument that represents the struggle of Arek Surabaya fought against colonials to maintain, to protect Surabaya and also Indonesia from colonials. Yeah, this is called Guguk sebagai bunga bangsa. It means they die with a pride as an army, as a heroes for our city. So this is the evacuation map when the battle in Surabaya happened, because many people died and wounded were moved to Simbang Hospital, and most of the people in Surabaya city were moving out of town, such as Sepanjang, Kria, and Mojokerto. Yeah. So, and beside this, there is Markas Kempetai. It was a place that is bombed by the Allied force in 10 November 1945 because the youth Surabaya refused to surrender and give up all of their weapons to the Allied force. Before this building was bombed, it was occupied by the youth of Surabaya. Yeah, this building like this one. Beautiful, right? So now I'm at the second floor of Museum 10 November. Yeah, in this second floor we can see the collection of weapons used by Aga-Aga Surabaya in Battle of Surabaya. As you can see, there are some weapons used by Aga-Aga Surabaya in order to fight against colonials in the Battle of Surabaya. So today in here I am at Diorama Stadium. So this is some place for short movie. Short movie consists of Battle of Surabaya. Yeah, you can see the room is dark and there are so many places for the movie. Yeah, this is a glimpse of diorama. Yeah, this one. So here are some weapons collections that exist in Museum 10 November in Tugu Pahlawan. Yeah, the weapons is great and amazing. Yeah, guys, thank you for following my vlog, A Day in My Life at Tugu Pahlawan. So hopefully this video will be useful for your guidance when you come to here. So see you in the next vlog. Bye-bye! So today I'm with Catherine.
Hi.
Okay, so she is the visitor in Tugu Pahlawan, Surabaya. So yeah, let I ask her some questions. So hello Catherine.
Hello.
So thank you for your contribution in my interview. So
Okay.
before I continue, may you introduce yourself?
Okay, my name is Catherine. I'm 26 years old and I'm an employee in one of school in Surabaya.
Okay. So this is your first time in Tugu Pahlawan, right?
Yes, this is my first time
Okay,
in here.
so what do you think about this place?
Yeah, this place is so beautiful and there is so many parks and you can see the statue and
Yeah.
over there and some statue. You can take a picture and take a video and you can make some reels. Yeah, video. I make some reels.
Okay. So, do you want to visit this place again?
Yeah, with my boyfriend
Oh,
someday.
okay. I hope you will get the boyfriends faster. Okay.
Yeah.
So, thank you for your time, Catherine, and have a nice day and have a nice holiday.
Yeah, have a nice day. God
Thank
bless
you.
you.
Thank you for your contribution to my interview. So, before I ask you several questions, please introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Salim. So I'm a student at Widya Kartika University.
Okay, Salim. So, thank you. So, the first question is, have you ever been to Tugu Pahlawan before?
Yes, I have heard.
Okay. So, second question, what is your opinion about Tugu Pahlawan?
I think that's a great place here because historical moments happen in there, in Surabaya. And Tugu Pahlawan is built to remember the great things that happened in Surabaya, especially when we are trying to get our freedom.
Okay, so last question is, what is your hope for Tugu Pahlawan in the future?
My hope for Tugu Pahlawan for the next future is that not only Indonesian people know Tugu Pahlawan, and not only us can make this place beautiful, but also people from around the world can go to this city so that they know that we fight for this freedom and we built this one.
Okay, so that's a great question. Thank you, Sally, for your time.
Thank you so much.
So good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
So thank you for your contribution in my interview. So today I would like to ask several questions. May I know your name?
My name is Jennifer, and I'm from Widyakartika University.
Oh yeah. Which major?
I'm from English Literature.
Oh, so am I. So today the first question is, have you been to Tugu Pahlawan?
Yeah, I've been there actually. I think it was when I was still in senior high school.
Oh,
yeah, when I was
senior school.
in
So
high school.
recently.
Yeah,
Not-
so it wasn't a long time ago.
Oh, okay. So do you think it is a good place?
Well, I think it's quite a good place for, especially for a student who wants to learn more about Indonesian history, particularly in Surabaya.
Mm-hmm.
So I think that it's a really good place for them to go and to learn a lot more about, especially about the Battle of Surabaya, if I'm not mistaken, which is which the museum and the monument based on. Yeah, and there are a lot of other items there, and that students can maybe get something away from it. Yeah.
Okay, so what do you think about that place? Besides it is in historical terms, another thing.
Another
maybe?
thing. Oh, the another thing. You mean like the other thing that maybe interest?
Yeah.
Get people get interest. Okay. Yeah. Well, other thing that I think maybe I'm interested on, it's probably the building. The building is kind of. I guess it's unique.
Yeah.
There's this one of the building where it's like it looks like a pyramid. I guess so. It's
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
It's kind of.
Okay. So the last question is, what is your hope towards that place?
Well, I hope that in the future that it can be preserved, and I hope that they do not do anything to the building. I know
Yeah.
that it's kind of a quite old building, especially for the monument as well. But I hope that they preserved it and then make sure that it stays safe, and then
Yeah.
that. I hope that also they maybe make some renovations there
Yeah.
so that maybe can attract more tourists, I guess.
Okay, so thank you for your time, Jennifer.
Okay.
Good afternoon. So good afternoon. Thank you for your contribution in this interview. So I would like to ask several questions.
Sure,
So before that, may I know your name?
of course. So my name is Salvi,
Yeah.
and I'm a college student.
Okay, so hi Shelfie. I want to ask you several questions. So the first question is, have you been to Tugu Pahlawan?
Yes, I have, as a matter of fact.
Oh yeah. When?
When I was in my high school
Okay.
year, they invite some, not invite, yeah, well, some of us were invited to go there.
Okay, so do you think Tugu Pahlawan is a good place?
Generally, I think so. I mean, it has a lot of memories, and it is a good place because it preserves a lot of things that we have in past. It has a lot of history in it, so I think it's a good place.
Okay, so what do you think about that place besides the historical things?
In general, it's a good place. It is monument after all, so I would like to recommend that to a lot of people who never come to Indonesia before.
Yeah.
So maybe foreigner or just people that outside of Surabaya, just to know the history a little bit.
Okay, so the last question is, what is your hope to Tugu Pahlawan in the future?
My hope for them is that they can continue to expand and not expand in as if their building is expanding. No, I was
Yeah.
talking about their collections. Also, not only that they preserve some of them that they have already in there, but I hope that they can continue expanding their collections with the new things. So yeah, that's my hope for them.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
And see you. So thank you for your contribution in my interview. So first of all, would you like to introduce yourself?
Okay, so my name is Lala. I'm the student of Wika.
Okay, so Lala, the first question is, have you ever been to Tugu Pahlawan?
Yes, I've been there.
Okay, so what do you think about that place?
I went there when I was in senior high school,
Yeah?
and up until now, I can't remember anything about that place. I think there is nothing interesting on that place, so
Yeah.
that it leaves no impression at all.
Okay, okay.
So my suggestion for them, for the one who take care of that place,
Okay.
maybe they can add something interesting so that people will remember.
Okay, so thank you for your time, Lala. Have a nice day.